So there's one thing here in YouTube that happens to me all the time. I don't get it. I'm going to share some thoughts about that. Let me know what you think down in the comment section below as well. But it's actually interesting that a lot of people look for advice here. Let's come out real quick. Better lighting in the outside. And I get it. I totally get it. You know, you're looking information about products. You're looking information about, you know, what to buy, what not to buy, things that are good, things that are not good. And you want to hear some of the experiences from other people out there. Look at that airplane way up there. That thing is so loud. But again, you know, for things like that, that's totally okay. And obviously, that's one of the reasons why this platform is so fantastic, because you could get information that you need. But I got to tell you, when it comes to life advice, it's one thing that you definitely cannot do. So I'm going to tell you my rules that I have, things that I have shown my children, things that I have shared with them. As you know, I'm older, I'm 41 years old. I got 3 amazing boys. Obviously, I've been married for a long time and all that. And one thing that I tell my sons is something that I learned years and years ago. And it's actually quite simple. You seek advice from people that have skin in the game. So essentially what I mean is that when it comes down to your life, like, should I buy a car? Should I marry these people? Should I join the military? I get that a lot. Should I join the Marines? And decisions that are going to change your life forever. Really, seeking information for somebody that you don't know is definitely not a good idea. So in my main channel, I get this all the time. People say, well, should I join the Marine Corps or should I join the military? And I always reply with this: how do I know that? How do I know that you're going to be good in the military? I don't know you. And I know it may seem a little bit mean or a little bit bad, or maybe some of you guys may think that I'm just being plain simple. But the reality is, like, don't seek advice from people that you don't know. Because if your life goes bad, if something happened, you know, bad in your life, those people are not going to help you. So like I say, here's my main concept, and hopefully some of you guys get some value out of this. Ask advice for people that have skin in the game. So essentially, here's the reality. You want to buy a car? Well, ask advice from people that will help you pay that car if you cannot make that payment. You want to marry a girl? Well, ask advice from people that if you marry that girl and it goes wrong, they're going to pray for you. They're going to suffer with you. They're going to give you the best advice ever. You want to join the military? Don't ask me. Ask your dad. Ask your family. Ask people from church. Ask people that know you, that know who you are, so they could give you the best advice. Many people out there are going to tell you, well, you should do this, you should do that. And it is what it is. But not a lot of people are going to help you when everything goes wrong. Not a lot of people are going to help you when your life goes downhill. Not a lot of people, they're just going to be like, whatever, you know, I don't care. And that is the reality. That is the truth. So again, when it comes down to looking for advice, not a product review, not like silly stuff like, hey, what do you think about this product, or how to make a U-turn in a motorcycle or something like that. When it comes down to advice that is going to impact your life, I'm going to tell you, seek out information, seek out advice from people that have skin in the game. You get it? Skin in the game. You know, people that are going to suffer with you, people that are going to pray for you, people that are going to help you, not some random dude on the internet. It kills me when I see young kids asking information and making decisions on their life from people that they don't know them, from people that they don't know anything about them, from people that, you know what, if their life goes to hell, they don't care. Anyway, that's my wisdom for this day. Let me know what you think. Put comments down below. And as always, God is in control.